Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to sign out of Slack on your mobile device in 2025. With Slack's updates making everything even more seamless, knowing how to log out can help you switch accounts, enhance your privacy, or just keep things tidy. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple workspaces or someone new to the app, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Slack app open on your mobile device, whether it's an iPhone, Android, or whatever you're rocking in 2025. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually at the top left or right corner of the screen. It's that little picture or initials that represent you. Go ahead and tap on it. That'll pull up your profile menu. Next, scroll down through the options until you spot Settings or Account Settings. Don't worry if the exact wording has changed with the latest update. It's typically under your profile details. Once you're in Settings, hunt for the Sign Out or Log Out button. In 2025, Slack might have made this even easier with a dedicated privacy section, so keep an eye out for that. When you find it, tap Sign Out, and the app will likely prompt you to confirm. This is just a safety measure to prevent accidental logouts, so go ahead and confirm if that's what you want. Boom, you'll be signed out, and the app might redirect you to the login screen. One quick tip: if you're using Slack on a shared device, always sign out to protect your data. It's a smart habit in our increasingly connected world. And if you run into any hiccups, double-check for app updates, as Slack evolves rapidly. There you have it, folks. That's how you sign out of Slack on mobile in 2025. It only takes a few seconds and keeps your account secure. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.